Sand, like I said, looks like a dead cat bounce into resistance. I'll look closer as we get towards 13. Main things, watch the commodity of gold too. If gold itself is breaking out, you don't want to be shorting a stock like this as they'll all run no matter what. Um, PCYC, we've been squeezing now off at bottom for, a couple weeks here. I'm watching this kind of like this 55 mark to see if maybe that's a spot where we might roll back over. There hasn't been a tremendous amount of buying on this run. We've just been kind of dragging up higher, and who knows? This 55 mark, kind of this area right around here, right? That can be a decent spot for resistance, and that could be a spot where it comes back down as we'd have, potentially $10 of downside. Envis, I was stalking this the last couple days. We're flagging right here around 260, but you can see this is, I don't know if these things are called ascending or descending, but it's a big triangle pattern essentially. And we come out of this range, you won't see any level of resistance until maybe $3 or so. And what we noticed about this stock in the past is when it moves, it can really move. We've seen this stock go from $1 to nearly $4 in a matter of days. And every few months, it does go on a squeeze like that where you can get, a multi-dollar gain out of it. We've coiled up very nicely from a wide range to just kind of a tighter and tighter range. And now we're testing that top of that range, and I think that there might be something in there. And then Trip, I'm watching Trip here. Right, we broke out over that 200-day moving average. We pulled back now. Ideally, if we can kind of flag around in this area between 36 and 38, I think that would give it enough rest for another run. Some nice volume accumulation going in it, and that's it, guys. For the market going up so high last week, I didn't really see that many awesome charts, and so once again, I'll be playing earnings and PR plays too. But after such a nice run, you would have thought I would have seen some stocks with nicer bases, nicer, tighter ranges that are breaking out. But I just didn't see that, and so I'm not sure if that's a good thing. When you have a multi-day run like we've had, you want to see a lot of stocks that are looking hot. You want your watch list to be 60, 70 names. Like you're almost like hacking at it, trying to whittle it down to make your blog, that type of thing. And today I'd to struggle to add stocks to my watch list, and so that's not very good. So something to keep an eye on, but it might not mean anything. Those type of observations are not really scientific. They're just more a gut feeling. So I will see you guys all tomorrow. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving and spent some good time with your family, but it's time to get back to work, folks.